Hello guys, this is Mohammed Kayum. Welcome everybody in my today's video. So today I am going to share you a very interesting thing. Actually, a few days ago I work with a large table, the Oracle database table, and I added a couple of columns on my table. And at the end of my development, when I saw the table, I want to reorder the column positions. So usually I know the common practice is like uh, we can take a backup of the table, then drop the table and recreate the table with the correct column order, and then again we have to reload the data from the backup table to main table. So it's a very traditional practice and very common practice, but whatever table I work with, this table is too large and I don't want to drop the table and recreate the table. I feel like it's very risky, and actually I worked with production database. That's why I thought, like, is there any way to do it very easily or without dropping, without deleting, without recreating the table? So I found a very simple way and very shortcut. Like you can do it within 5 minutes. So so that is why today I'm planning to share the idea with you. So let's see how I did it. So I think you're watching my screen. So we have a table in my common database, like uh, so in the aim table there is all the columns. So as example, if we want to move our department number column to after hire date, I mean, how can we move? So yeah, I already discussed how we can do that, but this time I'm going to show a different way. So let's see how can we do that. So we would like to move the department number to department number column before cell and comma. So there is a term in Oracle SQL that is called invisible. So I'm going to alter the imp table and invisible these two column, the cell and comma. Executed. So after invisibling these two column, now our table looks like this. Imp and all the columns. After hire date, department is coming here. And now if I again visible, I did the invisible and now I'm going to do the visible, these two column. So I visible both of them. So let's see how it looks like. Yeah, see, so department number is coming before cell and com, and after hire date, and no data got missed. Everything looks smooth, looks good, right? So I think it will be helpful for you, and you can test it in your database, or you can use the technique whenever you do development. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in comment section, or if you have any good idea or if you have any challenge, let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thank you.